How to enable caller ID feature on Viber. So if you want to enable caller ID feature on your Viber, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Viber application. Once you open up your Viber, now you need to go with the more option, which is on the bottom right, and go with settings. Once you're under the settings, you need to go with calls and messages. And under calls and messages, you'll see a new update called caller ID. So you just need to simply tap on the caller ID and tap on turn on now. And once you turn on the caller ID, it will ask you to grant permission. Simply tap on grant permission and you can allow the display over other apps for Viber. So simply scroll down and then choose Viber and tap on it. Go with allow display over other apps. And from now on, Viber will recognize caller names and show spam alerts for all calls. So that's how you can enable the caller ID feature on your Viber. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.